traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own. I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road, but even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me.
breakfast has arrived. We're about 40 minutes away from London. The view looks rather nice out there. Well, when I say breakfast has just arrived, it actually arrived 5 minutes ago. But because I had the audacity to attempt to have a shower and I had my suitcase open, there was no room for it. So I had to put it in the sink and wait till I moved my suitcase into the bathroom. Well, when I say the bathroom, I now mean the ensuite swimming pool. You're beginning to get the tone now. Some Tropicana orange juice. It's good. And I have some butter and some tomato ketchup. I think they seem to have forgotten the HP sauce. I mean, I've come from the north and they're giving me ketchup. Is this to ease me into the way things are done in the south? Trust me, I've been to London before. They have HP sauce. Why haven't I got HP sauce? I can also see the butter there. So this look. What am I on about? What am I on about? They put the HP sauce in with the bacon roll just to show you that that is the correct sauce to have with your bacon roll. I don't know what this is for. I'm not having an omelette. No. I'm not having chips. It's a bacon roll. It's HP sauce. Anyway, that's pleased me. Right. However, I think by the looks of the butter, this is a bacon roll from IKEA. Some construction is required. Well, it's a generous amount of bacon, or it looks like a generous amount of bacon. It is a generous amount of bacon. Okay, I'm going to put that together. I'm going to enjoy that. Cup of tea, fairly standard, and all the bits on the side. And some porridge to go. Okay. So it's a fairly complete breakfast, as I said. Albeit some construction required, so assembly required.